Hi folks, Network Guru here, and today's tutorial I'll demonstrate how to secure your Facebook profile. It's a simple process, so let's dive right in. I'll be using my iPhone for this demonstration, but the steps are similar on Android device. Firstly, open the Facebook app. Once it's open, tap on the menu button located at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to access settings. Scroll down until you find audience and visibility. Depending on your location, you may or may not see the option for profile locking. Unfortunately, this feature is currently only available in select international countries and not in the United States. If you are in a region where profile locking is available, simply tap on it to enable the feature. However, it is not available in your country. You can try changing your language and region settings. Tap on Language and Region and select a different language. This might allow you to access profile locking. Once enabled, you can switch back to your preferred language. Alternatively, if you in the United States on another region without access to profile locking, you can manually adjust your privacy settings. Go to Followers and Public Content and set everything to Only Friends or Only Me. Similarly, adjust your profile and tagging section to limit visibility to friends only. Lastly, review your post settings and limit who can see your past public posts to only friends. This ensures that older content remains private. By following these steps, you can better control the privacy of your Facebook profile. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.